Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to contact eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and on the search bar simply type in ebay.com and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you'll be seeing this eBay homepage, right? On the top bar you'll be seeing this help and contact option, daily deals, and your profile, right? Simply click on help and contact, and once you're inside here, on the search bar simply type in the issue that you are facing, and once you hit enter, you'll be provided with the solutions. If you aren't satisfied with the result, then what you can do is just scroll down to the bottom and you'll be seeing this option that says need more help and then contact us. Simply click on that, and once you're inside here, you'll have an option that says email us, and they will reply within 24 hours. Simply click on email us, and once you click that, you'll be sent to a page where you can email the eBay. Now all you gotta do is just briefly explain the problem that you are having, and once you're done with that, click on this send a copy to help request to my email. Click on send, and after 24 hours the eBay will reach you and fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.